just don't understand it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Living Life with Tia and it's Vlogmas. I don't know what day this is gonna be, but today what we are gonna do is we're gonna be decorating my room. Right now there's like no Christmas stuff, and usually like if I'm at home I'll be decorating my house with my mom and my parents and, you know, decorate my room, but because of circumstances I'm just gonna be decorating my room. So I'm going for like a rose gold kind of theme, kind of vibe. You know, I didn't want to do green, red, blue, like the generic Christmas colors. I just wanted to do rose gold. So, you know, I got my Christmas jammies on. I was gonna wear my onesie, but that's not very apostolic like that. But yeah, we finna get into this decor, home decor. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna just kind of like show you guys what I got. Really, this is real low budget. I probably spent less than 100 if I'm being honest, because a lot of this stuff I got like at Home Goods, Marshalls, you know, nice name brand and stuff for like a low price, and I had coupons. So I was being pretty savvy with it, because I'm not gonna go all out, because it's not like it's my place. So, but it is my dwelling, and this I want it to be like super Christmassy themed. So we finna decorate my room. Yeah, so we're about to get started. You already know, so the video's about to start right now, so let's get into it.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
Another Home Good item. This is $4, and it matches my theme. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it though. I have a lot of place. Oh no, this. I got this a long time ago. I just have it in storage, and this was for $13.99. I'm bugging. I'm looking at the compare price. It was $13.99, and it was originally $34. So I've had this for a while. I'm gonna put it right here. That is perfect. So guys, I got this sign at Burlington, and what happened was it had a scuff on it, and I think it was like $9.99, and I was like, oh, there's a scuff on it. So they were like, oh ma'am, we'll give you a discount. Got it for $4. Boop boop. And I'm just painting over the little scuff mark with my paint that I already had. And the sign is put up. Okay, I have other hooks here. Maybe I can leave them for later. And I'm gonna put a candle right here. Let's see what candle. Look. We have winter. It matches the theme. It doesn't quite fit, but I'm going to make it fit. It's fire. Okay, I changed the position of the camera. I'm gonna start doing my dresser, and we're gonna get into that right now. So right here I got these 2 tree lamps. They were on sale for $9.99 at Hobby Lobby, and I just realized that they were Martha Stewart. I didn't realize when I had picked it up. So yeah. So these 2, I have 2 of these glass vases. I got them from the dollar store, so you know they were like $1. And then I got those glass Christian Siriano what are those? Christmas balls? ornaments. I got those from Home Goods, and I got them on sale for $3 because one of them was broken, so that was a good steal. And I got 2 packs of these 11-foot of fairy lights. I got those also from Hobby Lobby, and again I had a coupon, so I probably spent $9 on those, if that, because they had 70% off of all Christmas stuff. So everything that was Christmas themed you got percentage off of, and then plus I had 25% off on my whole entire purchase.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times.
And those 2 rose gold reindeer, I actually got them the day before I started recording this video. They were on 70% off because I guess they were clearing out all their Christmas stuff. And I got them both for $3.99.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost.
So bedding is like my favorite. I got those 2 pillows, those big silver pillows from Burlington. Got them on sale for $16.99. And also those 2 little kidney pillows, I got those for I think $20. And the pillow I got from Kirkland's, and I had a coupon. So yeah, that's everything. And also that Jesus is the reason sign I got from Kirkland's as well. So this is the final look, guys, of my little Christmas room decor. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Please give me a big fat thumbs up, comment and share, and I'll see you in the next video, you guys.